Hi everyone, it's the end of the week at Natural Harmony and I wanted to give you a fun tip to make sure that you're feeling fresh and clean in the comfort of your home. So today for you, we've got a beautiful sanitizing spray that you can use to refresh your desk, your benches, your doorknobs, wherever you like, or even as a bit of a room spray. So we need some key items to make this happen. So firstly, you need a spray bottle. You can get this in a $2 shop. Awesome. Get that ready and sorted. You'll need that in a moment. The next thing you need is water. Awesome. Well, next thing is alcohol. And the rest is vinegar. Vinegar is awesome at killing bugs, keeping everything fresh and clean as well. If you haven't got into vinegar yet, it is awesome for a lot of really dirty, scrubby things that need cleaning. Okay, even for rinsing your dishes, vinegar is amazing. The next thing we need is to help this solution smell nice and fresh, but I love using essential oils. Essential oils are awesome, and the first oil we're going to use is lemon tea tree. It kills viruses, bacteria, and fungus, everything that is disgusting. So we're going to put 10 drops. 10 drops of that. And if you like the smell, put a little more. Beautiful. We're using our in-house gorgeous essential oils, but in a clarity. And it's smelling really nice, tea tree, lemony, but I'm going to add a little citrus to it to make it smell super yummy. Mandarin. And another 10 drops or so to make it nice and fresh. Beautiful. Now you need a stirring device, and I've got one right here. Give it a stir, give it a good mix, even it all out. Smells delicious. Your family is going to love it. Now you have to put it in this bottle, your spray bottle of your choice. Beautiful. You can disperse it over a few spray bottles, even one for each room, one for the office, one for the bedroom, one for the kitchen, and off you go. Have a great weekend. I hope you liked our fresh idea to keep your house fresh and clean. I'll see you next week. Bye.